Greetings all. Welcome to EPS Y 54, what is it, 63, Psychology of Learning. My name is Mike Yo, and I'll be your instructor this summer term. But I did just want to provide a brief introduction to me, I guess, and also the assignments for this week. So specifically the discussion posts and the readings, which I guess is nearly everything. But yeah, so you'll notice, or you will have noticed even after reading the syllabus, that the course is really organized around different theoretical perspectives of learning. So I just wanted to really emphasize the need to pay close attention to or thoroughly read, the assignment this week. So the assignment actually just is, the readings are relatively brief this week, just 2, and I think the chapter's pretty short. So, but it does set like a really good context for the rest of the term. So, specifically with the Alexander et al. Article, they outline the different principles and dimensions of learning. So I think it'll be pretty important to really kind of understand that, because that'll be a nice lens as we visit the different theories in subsequent weeks, right? So, and how these different theories kind of stack up against the principles and dimensions outlined by Alexander, etc. So, please do pay close attention to the readings. The other thing I wanted to mention was the discussion boards for this first week. So I try not to do this in general, but I'm going to make an exception for this first week and kind of relax the criteria for the discussions just a little bit this week. So in general, you will have noticed from the syllabus that you do need to go outside the assigned readings in order to support your discussion posts. That is not true for this first week. So there are just merely 2 discussion posts. One is just basically a self-introduction, and then the other is to take a recent learning event, either one that you experienced or observed, and to kind of discuss it in terms of the dimensions and principles outlined by the article. So, excuse me. Yeah, that's it. I'm really, and I guess just finally, I just would like to say this, just also in the spirit of transparency, this is the first time I've taught this course. Specifically, I've taught similar courses in the past, but that have covered learning in general. But this is my first shot at this particular course. I'm very excited about it. And you will have read also my kind of philosophy of teaching in the syllabus. And so, learning's hard work. I can't do it for you, but I can assist to the extent that I can, and I do have a pretty strong responsibility to do that. So if something's not working for you, or if there's things about the course that you feel are kind of thwarting your learning rather than supporting it, please do let me know. So again, this is the first time I've taught the course, so I'm very, I want to make sure that it's that it works well for you guys. This is kind of the beta version of it for better or for worse. Please do communicate that to me. I'll set up like an anonymous discussion board if you're a little concerned about, bringing something to my attention you might be concerned whatever. Yeah. Anyways, I want to learn myself on how to structure the course to make it better for you. So I think that's it for now. I'll try to post little video announcements like this on a weekly basis. I can't promise I'll do that, but I'm going to try to do that if necessary. If I'm just going to be redundant, or if there's really no need to, then I probably won't bother, but otherwise I will. So I look forward to getting to know you guys this summer. Take care.